Hello everyone. This video is on how to predict using events. So friends, what is event? Event is a thing which has occurred. Like if someone fell sick, then it is an event. If someone had an accident, then also it is an event. If someone buys some property or a vehicle or some land, then it is an event. If someone had a fight, then also it is an event. If someone's father sick, then also it is an event. If you are having problem or some pain in your shoulder, then also it is an event. So friends, the purpose of this video is to know what are the various things that is going to be triggered by this single event, and how this can be extended in the analysis of birth chart. So friends, before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel so that you will get latest notification regarding my video uploads. The basis behind this video is the house concept in astrology. You need to know the house concept of astrology for better understanding. Like first house represents self, second house our finances, family, resources, third house is our communication, younger brother, fourth house is our mother, fifth house is our children, sixth house deaths and diseases, seventh house spouse, eighth house sudden events, accidents, ninth house our father, 10th house profession, 11th house gain, 12th house losses, our bedroom bed pleasures. So basic idea of this house is required, and you need not to know what are the placement of planets in a birth chart, because event which has happened is already happened. So you need not to know the presence of a planet or something in the birth chart. You need not to know anything. Let's start with an example. If someone fell sick, so you need to know, or you need to identify what are the house that is going to be triggered by this single event. For example, if someone fell sick, then sixth house is triggered or sixth house is activated. So what are the various things that can be, we can say, that can be triggered by the activation of sixth house? For example, if someone fell sick, then there is possibility that his or her spouse having some issue in their legs, because sixth is 12th from the 7th house. There is a possibility that their children have some issue in their mouth, because 6th house is second from 5th house. There is a possibility that his father may get some stress or some issue in their workplace, in his workplace, because 6th is 10th from the 9th house. His mother may have some issue in his shoulder, because 6th house is 3rd from 4th house. His younger brother might have some issue in his vehicle, because 6th house is 4th from 3rd house. Or his elder brother have some accident or face some accident, because it is 8th from 11th house. So like this, you can able to know and say these are the various things that is going to be triggered if someone fell sick. Similarly, if someone had a fight with his boss in his office, then what are the various things that is going to be triggered? First thing, you need to know, you need to identify which house is going to be activated. So if someone had a fight in his office, then 10th house is being activated. So what are the various other things that can be predicted? First thing is that his father may have some issue in his family, or father may face some financial issues. Second is his elder brother may suddenly go to a foreign place or some issue in his leg. Third, his spouse may face some peace related issue, or may have disturbance in his home surrounding, because it is fourth from seventh house. Okay, his younger brother may face some accident, because it is eighth from third house. Some accident, or you can say some insurance related issue, inheritance issue, or some diseases. This all that can be triggered. So in this way, you need to analyze what are the various things that is going to be triggered with this single event. Then the next step is how we can use this for the analysis of birth chart. And by using this, you can able to tell some pending karma also. Like if someone had Mars in the 12th house in the birth chart, and it is being expected by some malefic, then you can definitely tell that his father must have property related issue before the birth of this child, because 12th house is fourth from 9th house. So presence of Mars in the 12th house represents that his father must have property related issue. So it is one type of pending karma. You can able to identify the pending karma. Next, if someone has problem in his office or in his workplace, then I find a chart where the person has issues in his office, and the person has Leo rising, and Sun and Saturn is in the sign of Capricorn. Okay, so I asked the person whether his father had a major fight with his boss in his office before the birth of this child, and after confirming with his father, he told yes. Because you look, 6th house is 10th from 9th house, and sign of Capricorn is also over there. So it gives a possibility that his father fight with his boss before the birth of this child. So friends, in this way you can able to correlate the different combination in the birth chart, and you can able to predict. First, while analyzing in birth chart, see the bunch of the planets. I mean to say that if 3 planets are there, if 4 planets are there, so that house is what you can say is focused house of that for the native. So you can use that house for your prediction. So friends, in this way you can able to correlate and able to predict. This is all about how you can use an event to predict so many things. Hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.